Next, we'll demonstrate the fly stitch. Let's start with the left one. Using 3 strands of color number 4. First, bring up at the upper left. Then, insert at the upper right. Don't pull tight. Leave some slack on the fabric. Bring up at the middle. Pull upward. Insert along the outer edge. Let's demonstrate again. Bring up at the upper left. Insert at the upper right. Don't pull tight. Leave some slack on the fabric. Then bring up at the middle. Pull upward. Insert along the outer edge. Following this method, complete the remaining pattern. This is a relatively simple stitch, creating a small V-shaped effect. Delicate and cute. Perfect for small details. Let's look at the finished result. Now let's look at the right pattern. It's another type of fly stitch, evolved from the basic version. Like a connected version. Let me demonstrate. Again, using 3 strands of color number 4. Similarly, bring up at the top. Insert at the upper right. Then bring up from the middle. Insert down here below. Then bring up in the middle. Pull. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. This connected fly stitch pattern, in everyday embroidery, can be used for plant designs or leaf patterns. Insert the last stitch. This fly stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.